Hey Jessica, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services about the gutter cleaning. Just walking around taking a look at all the areas that we're talking about for this water diverter. Yeah, that's a pretty common thing for us to see missed. A lot of home inspectors like to, you know, perfect case scenario, they'll try to get you to do all kinds of, and even on new construction, they're barely even installing that. So when we do gutter cleaning, we can help you to put a little bit of a metal piece of flashing and some caulking to divert the water so that hopefully it's not running down the side. But another thing that we can do is we specialize in low pressure gentle detergent siding washing. So your siding is actually pretty green. It's got a lot of light, and we can clean all that with no more pressure than a garden hose, and that way you don't have to look at all that nasty dirty stuff throughout the winter. If you wanted an estimate to power wash the concrete back here, we can do that, and then wash all your outdoor windows. Super affordable. Instead of squeegeeing your windows, we can do it effectively and quickly with a water filtration process. So low pressure cleaning process to get your windows clean, mineral, spot, and streak free after we're done. So hopefully we'll be able to help you. We'll give you like a bundled deal discount if you have us do all the gutter cleaning, the house washing, and the outdoor window cleaning. Or if you just want to do the gutters, that's fine too. We look forward to helping you out before the snow flies in. And my name is Eddie. I'm the owner operator of the company. Multi-Man Services. We specialize in all exterior home maintenance. Used to be a handyman service, and now all we do is specialize in an exterior home maintenance and washing, roof maintenance, roof preservation, saturating oil conditioning, spray-on treatment. So look forward to helping you with all that you need here. Congratulations on the new home, and would like to get on the schedule, call or text me. My cell 815-520-6020. Take care.